Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the watch is on and paired, because changes must sync. Open Settings on the watch or open the Watch app on your iPhone. Either path works. If a passcode or screen time passcode is set, make sure you know it. You'll need it to change downtime. Once done, tap Screen Time on the watch or My Watch tab on iPhone to access downtime controls and proceed to edit schedules and app limits. You now focus on the core action, turning downtime off. In Screen Time, choose Downtime and either flip the downtime switch off or edit the schedule and save. Make sure you also check app limits. Turning downtime off won't remove app limits. If your account is part of family sharing, you might see parental controls. In that case, open the Family Organizer's Screen Time settings and change permissions. Once changed, the watch should accept the new policy and sync immediately. Finish by confirming the change on both devices. The watch should no longer show downtime prompts. If it still behaves as if restricted, make sure Bluetooth is on and the devices are near each other, then force a sync by restarting the watch or toggling Bluetooth. If you encounter a persistent block, check that you entered the correct screen time passcode or remove any configuration profile that enforces restrictions. That fix resolves most issues. If not, repeat the steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.